Hello folks, welcome to the shop. Y'all come on in and make yourself comfortable. We're going to turn an egg cup today. So let's go ahead and get started. And by the way, hold on to the end, and at the end I'll put a clip up that'll show you the finished cups. That way you get to see the product after it's finished. I've had a lot of folks asking about that, so we're going to include it in this video. You guys let me know what you think. And thanks for subscribing and liking all my videos. I really appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and get that done. Just click on the little subscribe button, click on the like button. It really helps me out and I appreciate it. Thanks folks, have a great day. Let's get started on this project. Okay, we're going to start off with a scraper here, and we're just going to hollow that out. I'll give you guys a little better view of that hollow. And one thing about egg cups, they go pretty fast, but we do want to check and make sure that they'll actually hold an egg. So let's take a look at that. We might make that just a tad larger, but we are very close. So let's go ahead and come in. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and do a peeling cut and get rid of some of this excess here. And you know, just for grins and giggles, we probably ought to check the depth on that. So, see about where we're at. And we're good on the depth, so we'll just keep on going. Okay, we're going to switch over at this point to a little 3/8 inch spindle gouge. Go ahead and waste away a little bit of that wood there. And then we're just going to put a little bead right here in the middle. And just to add a little bit to that, we're going to take a piece of guitar string between two dowels, and we're going to use that to just kind of put us a little bit of burn right there to highlight those. Word of caution, don't touch that guitar string after you've done that. And then we're going to come in, let's go ahead and make that base just a little bit smaller there. Now we are almost done, folks. We want this thing to be super nice, so we're going to go ahead and hit it with a little bit of sandpaper. And I want to just do this real time, show you how long this sanding process takes. It is not long. With cutting it with that skew like that, it's probably smoother than the 150 already, but I'm going to go ahead and hit it with 150. Again, we'll hit that inside one more time. And actually, that probably needs sanding more than anything else. We're going to hit it with a little 220. Again, it doesn't take much. And we're going to call that sanded. And we are ready to part it off the lathe. So I'll come in with the parting tool, take it right off the lathe. As you can see, we have a finished egg cup that will absolutely hold an egg. At the end of the video, I'm going to go ahead and put up a short video of the finished egg cup so you guys can see what they look like once they're finished. And with that said, thank you for watching. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Stay safe, stay healthy, and happy turning.